I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief and welcome to another Mystery Monday video. I'm so excited. We are doing a large Winnie the Pooh unboxing. Needed to happen at some point, guys, didn't it? We have got 3 sets today. The first set that we've got was a set I got last Easter as an Easter present from my mum. And this is the Winnie the Pooh Cherry Blossom series. So I've got 3 of these. Then we have got 2 of the kites, Winnie the Pooh kites. These are all Loungefly sets, by the way. And then we have got a floral, like flower puzzle set, and we've got 6 of those. I'm going to start with the one I think that we've only got 2 of, and we'll increase in. So this set, unfortunately, Mum could only get 2 of on her pickup. Which is a little bit annoying, but 2 is better than not having any. So in this set you can collect Piglet, Tigger, Rabbit, Roo, Eeyore and Pooh. You know, if you're a long-term follower, who I would desperately like. Ooh, these are very nice. Oh, we've got a Pooh Bear. So that on, I don't know if you can see it there, like a little chain. Now, I don't know how well these are going to go into the pin board because I'm using the rubbish one. But we're gonna make it work or not, because he did not want to go in. No! Okay, so my chain has just come off. Let's hope it doesn't happen to this one. Oh yes, I was hoping for this one. So we have got Rabbit. You hardly ever see Rabbit. Okay, so I don't think I might collect the rest of this set, to be honest, because it has, oh, whoops, broken. I don't know if you can see it there, twice. So I think that set is a no-go. If I can get them fixed and traded, great. But let's move on to the Cherry Blossom set. In this set we can get Pooh, Tigger, Piglet, Roo, Eeyore and Owl. Got my boy! Oh, my boy Roo. He is adorable. Because I've moved them onto here so they don't get lost or even more broken. Box number 2. That kite series was a letdown. I think Rue made up for it though. Oh dear, you've got a duplicate. I love Rue, but one is enough. Okay, where's my last cherry blossom? Oh, very nice. You don't see him a lot on stuff. So we've got Owl. Ouch. This board is rubbish, really. So it's 2 out of 3, not too bad. Now the set that I am most excited about is this puzzle set, which is 8 pins. We won't complete it today because we've only got 6 boxes. But we can get Rabbit, Owl, Tigger, Piglet, Pooh, Roo, Kanga and Eeyore. These feel quite big actually. Oh, we have Owl. Wow, he is massive. So here is Owl. Stunning. That is stunning. Stunning. Box number 2. Yay, we've got Rabbit. Oh, I didn't show you, sorry guys. There we go. Okay, I've made a mess on the table. Box number 3. We've got Pooh Bear. Who does he connect to? Owl. Very nice. Okay, so number 4. We've got Eeyore. Very cute. No, Eeyore is over here. 5. Oh dear, first dupe is Eeyore. It will help me complete the puzzle though. Last one, guys. I think it's a corner. Oh, yay! Tigger! 5 out of 6 is really good. Really good, guys. Hang on. Stick Tigger down. So this is the puzzle so far. So we are missing Piglet, Roo and Kanga. So only 3, which is not too bad, and I can use the Eeyore hopefully to trade for one of them. I'll be using my extra Roo probably to trade, but I might be sending that as a gift to somebody. We'll see. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Please let me know what your favourite was down below. Mine, I think, just has to be this puzzle. It is gorgeous. These kite pins, such a letdown. I think any pin now, where are they? From Box Lunch that look like they're going to come with a chain, I ain't buying. Because that was just really, really flimsy. They've like broken, and I know my partner Lewis, he could probably fix it. But I don't think I want to collect the set, which is a bit sad because it is quite nice. But it's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I really hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon, guys.